So hello guys, today I'm gonna show you that how to get Topaz-like quality on Android. And guys, at the end of video don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's begin. Lastly guys, if you want these apps links, so comment link, then I'll send the link in the comment section.